hope that you will be fine today. Now today is my first video according to what is PTE and what is the scene to create this channel. Basically, you will have seen many channels in YouTube, even in your social media circle and your friends who have appeared in PTE exam. Basically, the purpose behind making my PTE prep channel is that I will not put you in struggle in that efforts which already I have been facing. I will be helping you to get your desired score, in a sense that how much scores you need to go abroad. For example, basically PTE is based on Pearson test of English and it is conducted by Australia. It is officially conducting test as ielts is conducting test for British concept. What will you see in my channel? You will see how to handle speaking, listening, reading and writing part. I will give you more and more tips to get your desired scores. Whatsoever the score you have, I will be helping you to get your desired score. For example, if you want to get 60 scores, 65, 70, whatsoever the situation you have. So somehow some students need 50, 55 and 60. Some need below that 50.